I wonder what game is Lisa going to prank her friends? As expected, Lisa conspired to harm her friend. And this is the victim, Sprite. This girl, of course, could not escape the elaborate trap that Lisa has created. Pi wants to slip, but forgets to turn off the power. But he's too lazy to get out that warm blanket. Great discoveries come from lazy people. But this time, it's true wrong. Poor Sprite, why do I get hit by this bullet? Sprite, can you speak more softly, please? She has gone beyond Pi's endurance. Have to teach Sprite a lesson this time. As expected, Pi, Sprite scared to death. Welcome to Lisa's zombie ward. These two people are so busy playing that they don't even pay attention to the cute zombie behind them. I wonder who is threatening here. Poor zombie. She put great effort in scaring others. It seems so fun, you two. Let's take advantage of this moment. Zombie's back here. I'm determined to scare them. Once again. Ow, poor zombie. In the end, all the effort paid off. Now half two of you already know how to spell the fear. Where are you going? You seem to be in a hurry. It is true that there's nothing as satisfying as this. Don't forget that Lisa's still here. Cannot even be alone when you're in the toilet. Sprite seems to be too scared that she forgets the main thought. It's cool, Lisa. Look at Sprite. But it's worth my effort. Be nice, my friend. If Lisa does this, I will never wake up again. Oh no, what goes around comes around. Trolling other people has never been easy, is this guy of act. This guy's so sad. What's wrong? Even so, with a neck full of gold and silver, you won't escape. No. He must be having a beautiful dream. Well, the thief is also loved.
Oh my god, oh my god.
In this situation, it's easy to cause misunderstandings. It's true that God knows everything. You deserve it. Do not forget to press the like and share to join us for the great moments of relaxation.